Hello everyone, I'm Richard.
And I'm Diana.
Welcome to Slow Spoken English.
Today we're talking about getting around Sydney.
That's right. How exactly do we travel around our city? Diana, you have a car, don't you?
Yes, I do. I drive to work every day from the suburbs to the city. Having a car is very convenient for me.
What do you like about driving?
Well, I can go anywhere anytime. I don't need to wait for buses or trains. And I can listen to music while I drive. Plus, I can carry groceries and heavy things easily.
That sounds nice, but what about parking and traffic?
Oh yes, those are big problems. Parking in the city is very expensive. Sometimes $20 Australian for just a few hours. And traffic jams make me late sometimes.
Well, by comparison, I don't have a car. I use public transport, buses, and trains.
How is that working for you, Richard?
It's good most of the time. The trains are fast, and I can read books while I travel. Also, it's much cheaper than having a car. My weekly ticket costs about $50 Australian by comparison.
Wow. But what about when it rains?
It's not fun. I have to walk to the bus stop and train station. Sometimes I get wet.
I see. Sydney has many transport options, though. Buses, trains, ferries, and light rail.
Exactly. The ferries are great fun to ride. You can see the harbour while you travel.
True. Well, everyone chooses what works best for them.
That's right. So we've talked about cars, public transport, plus ferries and walking. Sydney has many options for getting around. Thank you for listening to today's episode of Beginner Level English, Getting Around Sydney by the Slow Spoken English channel.
Please like this video and subscribe for more episodes by the Slow Spoken English channel. In another episode, we'll talk about shopping in Sydney. We'll see you next time.
Cheers.